Now we are going to practice on creating some curtain walls and solid walls together. Okay, let's see how. I will just open a new file. I'm going to select the architecture template. I'm going to click OK. Now I have the new clear file. The exercise that we are going to do, it's actually one of my colleague's files. He gave it to me and I think it's really helpful. This one, curtain walls. We want to create this one, and we also going to create this one. If we finish these two, I think anything else will be easy. Fine, and they are really easy. Let's think about this one first. What do you think? How to do this one? Let's start from Robert. If you have this case and you want to do this pattern and this solid wall, sorry, curtain wall, how to do this?
The pattern or the...
Both. This one and the glass in the back.
Overlapping?
Yes, it's the first step, that they are two walls overlapping together, right?
Yeah.
That's what you are talking about? Perfect. This one is a solid wall and this one, perfect, it's a curtain wall. So it's the solution. I will do two walls. One is a curtain wall only with vertical grids. The other thing is a solid wall. I will just edit the profile and draw this one, right? Let's try to simulate. I will not draw it exactly, but I will do the idea. The first thing, I will access to my walls. I will select curtain wall. Let's say that it's the empty one from here to there, for example. Now I need another wall.
You are prepare this.
What?
This wall. This is done by you.
No, it's not created now. It's the automatically.
No, I don't find it.
What?
I don't find the curtain wall empty.
You have it under curtain wall, maybe a different name. I will check your system. Okay. Okay. Now I will use any other solid wall. I'm going to zoom in. Then I'm going to draw from here to there. Fine. Let's go to the 3D. Now I have these two walls. Let's say that it has the same height of this one. Now I have these two. This solid wall should match this shape, right? So I will draw this boundary, this boundary inside the larger one. Or I can just draw this one, okay, the outline, then draw another wall and give this outline. So let's do that. We can just click on this, double click. I will just draw, let's say this one, for example, this one, maybe here, and maybe there. I'm just trying to draw anything now, okay? Let's say this shape and this shape. Okay? Slice and trims now. Slice this, trim from there here to there.
What is slice?
This is the slice, or SL on the keyboard. Okay? Slice from here to there and trims. Let's do another slice here. Trim. Now I have the profile prepared for me, right? And this one to this one, this one to this one. Now I will delete this. I'm going to delete also this one and this one. I'm going to use the fillet here. We don't have a fillet order. So if you are going to draw a fillet arc, you will access to the draw panel while drawing and you will have this fillet arc. And then click on this one, then move the mouse to select what is your radius. Fine. Let's say it's 50, for example. I don't have the ability. Let's draw this to this. Sometimes it's small and it will not give you the ability to draw your arc. Okay. So let's make this one 50. I will draw this. Click on the first line, then on the second line, then click on the line and give it a dimension. Maybe it's, for example, 300. Fine. Again, fillet, click on this, then on that. You will have this thing, this, then that. You will have this thing. This way you have drawn everything. Fine. It's not exactly the same shape, but it's the same idea. You can just click on OK. Now you can select this one, copy it, maybe mirror, maybe align. You can do whatever you want. I will move it again. The message that it says that they are overlapping, so move it. I will move it to here. Fine. Let's enlarge this one to reach this point. Then I want only vertical dimensions, right? Or sorry, vertical grids. So I can either access to the grids here, or I can just select the wall, edit type. I will duplicate. Let's name it vertical mullions. Click enter. Then go to the vertical grids. Distance. Give it the distance. Click OK. Now you have it. Let's copy these 3 walls. Select this one, and then 1 and 2. Copy from here to there. Rotate 90 degrees. Now you'll have the ability to move it from this point maybe to this point. Fine. Now I have the walls created. It's easy, right?
It's pretty easy.
You will do it. You will do it right now. Let's delete this. Let's go to the exercise number 2. This one. I want Mike. Can you tell me?
You should use
This is bin,
curtain wall with
the curtain wall, and you select panel by panel. Then you will.
You can do that, but I want another method, easier one.
It is
Let's see what Mike will do.
first I'll make the curtain wall,
Fine.
and then I'm going to cut the upper part of the curtain wall and replace it with
Solid wall.
solid wall.
Okay. What will you do? It's right, by the way. It's correct. What will you do? We need another thing. We have many methods to do this wall, by the way. What to do? I need another method.
So curtain wall, and then from the properties you select the same distance, the vertical and
Yes. How to get these two combined together, the wall and the curtain wall?
we will just select each fires and then change it to
We can do that, but it will take me, it will consume time.
uh,
Try it.
you can make stack.
Why are you laughing? Okay, let's see. What's your name again? XB, I know you. What will you do?
It's the same idea with
The same idea. What's about you? What's your name?
I have to do it.
Erland, yes.
Yeah, I have to replace the materials or
Make curtain
we
wall
use
solid
solid
wall,
wall
solid wall on
the curtain wall.
All the things that you have just mentioned are correct. Let's see what I'm going to do. Okay? I will do the same, by the way. Okay. I will create. You can start with the solid wall or the curtain wall. It's your option. Fine. Let's go to the walls. Let's go to the curtain wall, for example. Let's make it this type. Okay, storefront. I'll draw any wall. Let's make it here. Wall. I'll give it a height out of, let's say, 50 meters. Okay. This is my wall. Let's go to the elevation so we can see, or the 3D. We can view our object. It should be 5. It should be 50123. Okay, because it's in millimeters. Fine, and I will make this, let's say, 15 meters. Undo. I'll make this 15 thousandths. Now I have this. Fine. Let's change the units because I used to work in meters. I'll make them meters and I'll make them 2 decimal places. This way it's better. Fine. Let's go back to the image. In the image I have this boundary and it's cut it this way. So I will draw the outline of this wall, and then I will place these rectangles. So I will have the curtain wall. Then I will place the curtain wall inside a solid wall, and I will give the automatically embed option. Let's do that. I will go on the elevation, double click for example. I will try to simulate. I will not give the exact dimensions, but I will try to simulate. We can do this method. Let's go back here. It's the curtain wall, this way, and blah 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 to finish. Fine. So do this. Let's say 1. Let's say here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Let's say this way. Fine. I'll make it to this point. Now I'm going to trim this, and I'm going to delete this one. I will select all of these together. I'll click on mirror. Okay, but I will draw the axis from this point to this point. Now I have all the lines drawn for me. Delete, trim this one to this one. Fine. I'll select this and I'll move them up. I'll remove the constraints. Fine. It's larger in this image, but it's okay for me. Now I will draw a rectangle here, for example, this way, and I will copy it, or we can just mirror it first. DM for draw axis from this point to that point. Fine. Now I can copy this from here to there maybe, and let's do this, copy from here to there. I will make this smaller and this smaller. Okay. Then I'm going to copy this from this point to this point. Let's copy this one also from this point to this point. I don't want to draw anyone here. I'll copy from this point to that point. Fine. We can make it in the center. We can draw a line just to align. Okay, and then I will delete this one. Copy or move, sorry, from the midpoint to this point, and then delete this. Fine. Now maybe I have the same. I can just click OK. Now I have this wall. Let's go to the plan, create a wall, create any solid wall. This one, create similar. From the type selector, I select any solid wall. Fine. And then I will draw it on the center from this side, from this point to this point. Now let's go to the 3D. Now it has deleted everything. I can just enlarge this one. Sorry, I can select this and enlarge the height, right? Did it open anything? It's not opened, right? Why? Yes, it's not embedded. So I can delete this one. I will select this wall. Under edit type, I will select automatically embed. On the level 0, create similar, I will select another type of walls. If you don't have your type, you can just edit type and duplicate and do whatever you want. Click OK. Now from the center point to the center point, and a little bit larger because I have this boundary, right? I'm going to minimize this. Go to the 3D, select your wall, this solid one, and make it, let's say this way. Fine. Is it easy? Great. What's about doing that? I want you to do these two walls and then you are free to leave. Thank you guys.